Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to get this app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!